Hello from Farsta Strandbad on this 11th of July 2024 and beach day number 90 on my Sweden beach adventures this year. We have a cloudy afternoon here in Stockholm and I'm out for a quick lunch swim here in Farsta, very close to my home, just 5 kilometers away. It is just basically a 10 minutes bus ride. Perfect for a quick lunch swim, or also 10 minutes bicycle ride, which I also usually do, but now I have a monthly card for the public transport, so I'm using that and saving my legs for August when I'm gonna cycle every day. Farsta Strandbad, this is quite empty today, very few people on the beach, nobody is in the water currently, and soon I am the one that's going to change that. So we have 21 degrees Celsius in the air and 20 degrees Celsius in the lake Magelungen. I was on this exact same spot a few weeks back, and I thought that by this time it's gonna be overcrowded here with people, but apparently it is not the case because of the weather, which I actually myself find very good. 21 degrees, it's perfect. You don't need 30 plus to go to the beach. I go to the beach when it's 0 degrees also in the frozen lakes. So for me this is quite an advancement, I would say, for myself. But for the common people, maybe not. This is too cold. I don't know. But 20 degrees in the water is very warm for me. So yeah, Lake Magelungen beach adventures with Chris on this 11th of July. Let's then go in for a swim and enjoy this wonderful Thursday. So you see my hair has become more and more blonde thanks to the sun, which I really love. That's why I love summer. And here there is on this jetty is actually renovated now for the season, and there are two entrances which actually are not needed because it is not that deep over here. And on the other side there is a beach promenade, as we call it, Strand Promenade, that usually is for people walking or running. And we have Farsta Strandbad on the other side as well, and the Augusta Bridge inside we have. All right, then let's go for a swim. It is super nice and warm. So, okay, I'm standing on the sand right now here. So let's take a swim on this wonderful day. Let's go. Amazing. Amazing as always, as usual. So yeah, good enough day for swim, I would say. It would have been perfect with a bit more sun, but it's still quite nice and warm. So yes, I can't believe I made it to 90 beach days, and later in the evening I'm gonna visit some beach by the sea also, because we have very long day here in Sweden. So it is light until 10-11 p.m. right now in July, so it's basically perfect. So yep, that's a wrap from Farsta Strandbad. Once again, one of my closest beaches to my home. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.